In this episode of I Tried It, I test this side hustle that claims that we can make $2 for every YouTube video watched. I'm going to go over the process of how to make $2, exactly my results, and if you should give this a try. So if you've seen this video or if you're looking to make $2 to watch YouTube videos, watch this entire video. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pocket. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so as I mentioned, I watched this video that claims that we can make $2 for watching videos. It tells us to go to this website that I'm actually not gonna show you for reasons I'll explain to you in just a little bit. And it's as simple as going to watch these videos. Now, I did this for 3 hours yesterday. In fact, I did this while I was playing video games. I did this while I was watching the Women's Final Four, the final game. Congratulations to the Gamecocks. But I did this essentially in the background, which is what the original content creator suggests that we do. And again, I did this for 3 hours. And so let's go ahead and take a look at some of the things that this website says that we need to do in order to make money. I took a few screenshots and I'm going to show those screenshots to you right now. So the first thing that you come across on the welcome screen is we are a very high paying source for survey routers and offer wall offers because we'll usually give you 65 to 85% payout rates. Now, more importantly, you can also take advantage of our easy to do gaming offers and video offers, have some of the best payout rates in the industry. We'll credit you $1 for every 100 coins you earn. So very important, $1 for every 100 coins you earn. And once you reach $7, you can request a payout to PayPal. And so you basically will just get $1 for signing up. And then in order to earn $1, you need 100 coins. So if we want to earn $2 for every YouTube video watched, we need to earn 200 coins. Very important, remember that. So that is the first one. The second one that I wanted to point out is this is the landing page for the videos. Now, very important, let's look at this. Click the banner below and choose a video to watch, and the video provider will credit you 0.07 for every 100 points of video ads that are shown to you. For every 200 video points you earn, you'll receive a silver token, which will add $1 to $3 to your account. So it can add up to 0.015 per video point. So that's kind of confusing, but let's point out something here that's really, really important. Click the banner below and choose a video to watch, and the video provider will credit you 0.07 for every 100 points of video ads that are shown. Now, before we get into exactly how much I made with this, let me just explain to you why I hate these types of websites. One, you're wasting your time. Okay, for the time that you spent, again, I spent 3 hours doing this. The time that you spent, you could be doing a myriad of other things. You could be learning a skill. You could be creating YouTube videos and TikToks on your own. You could start a freelancing business. Maybe you are interested in building out 5-page WordPress website. You could be doing a bunch of other things, and that's going to give you more money and success both in the short and long term. I know people will complain and say, you know, this is guaranteed money, but essentially you're going to be spending hours of time helping other people make more money, and they're just giving you literally pennies on the dollar. And so I personally do not like these sites at all. And I think that people that promote these types of sites are essentially just trying to scam and manipulate you so that they can make money. Because what you see here, I'm going to blur it out, but what you see here is you see my affiliate link, and the way that these people, like the original video creator, the way that they're actually making money is by referring you to these websites. So they're not doing these websites themselves, they're making videos on these websites. In fact, what a lot of these websites will do is they'll reach out to the content creators that are in this space, and they will offer them a special incentive to create a unique video. They'll pay them like $500 to make this video, where they're not actually wasting their time doing what they're telling you to do. And I personally feel like it's predatory. It preys on people that are in a desperate situation, that are looking for a way to make ends meet. And I was once that person. When we found out we were having twins, I wanted to find more ways to make money. I was only making about $48,000 per year, and I needed to find more ways to make money so I could support my kids. And I did these things. I went over to websites just like this and Swagbucks and all of those other websites because I watched a YouTube video that claimed that I could make money, $2 for simply watching YouTube videos. And I would waste hours of time. And if I had known what I knew knew back then, I would essentially just create content about stuff that I was interested in, create content about my hobbies, my passions, my interests, create content about being a father of twins. That would have been much more profitable both in the short term and in the long run, because I would have content, I would have a following built up, and I would actually be helping people solve problems. So in general, I absolutely hate this type of content, and I have a great disdain for the YouTubers that make this content. It's also why I think he hides behind not showing his face, because he doesn't want to be linked to this type of stuff. But I think that this type of content is predatory and that nobody should do it, because you are going to waste time. People will say, hey, I live in a different country, people don't like my accent. Nobody cares about your accent. People care about if you can help them or not. That's what's most important. That's the only thing that people care about. So my little rant over, let's go ahead and see how much money I made after doing this for 3 hours. Oh, and by the way, you're not going to actually be watching YouTube videos. So this video has lies all around. The website that you go to is not a YouTube channel. So let's just close this real quick. And I made exactly 9 points. I need 191 more points in order to receive a silver token. I've got 9 points. Remember, to get to $1, I need to get to 100 points. And so I am 191 points short. I did this for literally 3 hours. I had it on the background. I made sure that my monitor was active, and I only made 9 points. So do not waste your time with this. This is not an opportunity. Like I said, what I recommend that you do instead is go out, create content about stuff that you like talking about. You don't have to make money online by telling people how to make money online. If you're interested in paddleball or pickleball or fishing or basket weaving, I have a client, Sarah. She actually is in the scrapbooking niche, and she makes money with scrapbooking. So what I recommend that you do instead is identify stuff that you like to talk about. What's something that you could get up and talk about every single day and not get bored? Once you have that, that's called a niche. And then within that niche, you're going to find out what problems people are having, what pain points, challenges, dreams, goals, aspirations they're having, and then you can talk to that. For example, if I were just getting started, I create content about my favorite team, which are the Chicago Bears. And in a few weeks, about 3 weeks from now, there's going to be the NFL draft. I can talk about the different positions, the strengths, the weaknesses. I could recap every game. There's so much information and content to talk about, but you have to remember in the very beginning, nobody's listening, nobody's watching. You have to keep creating content through that to get people to listen, to get people to watch. So you create a YouTube video, and then you put clips of that video on social media, and then you put clips of that on Pinterest and anywhere and everywhere in an effort to build an audience. It's going to take consistency, it's going to take persistence, and I'm not going to tell you that you're going to be successful overnight. What I am telling you is that creating your own stuff, creating unique original content is going to be much more profitable, both in the short term and in the long run, than doing this and earning 9 points over 3 hours. So don't do this. I'm telling you, don't do this. These types of websites and the people that promote them are predatory. That's why I am not going to show the website. I don't want you to waste your time with this. I want you to go out and create content. If you love soccer, talk about soccer. If you love cooking, talk about cooking. There's no such thing as oversaturation or too saturated. It's only too saturated if you are trying to be like everybody else. If you are unique, you tell your own stories, you tell your own challenges and goals and frustrations and fears, you can be successful in your niche. But if you try and be like everyone else, you're going to fail like everyone else. So now that you know that this method will not work, watch this video next. I put together a free 5-hour masterclass that shows you step by step how you can monetize your social media.